Hey you all, if you've been looking for the deals, you have come to the right place. Check out what I'm unboxing today. So, I am a first grade teacher. My kids like to listen to music, so guess what I have? Yes, a wireless speaker. I can carry this anywhere I need it to be. If we're going outside, hey, taking it with me. If we're going to a different classroom, I'm grabbing that. It's not too heavy. So I love my purchase so far. Look at this box speaker. As I said, it has an auxiliary cord and also comes with a charger and a cool little remote. I will definitely be using this on the other side of my classroom. Instead of walking towards the speaker to cut it on, I can just click a button. I do have to warn you, you need 2 AAA batteries, so make sure you get that when you're buying this product. Alright, as you know, when you buy a product, you got to let it charge up some. So that's why it's plugged up. But again, this is wireless. So once it's charged, it does not have to be plugged up anymore. With that being said, I'm going to turn this switch on. As you see, the cool blue comes on and makes that sound. I'm going to go ahead and play this music, the music that I would play for my classroom. The volume is located here, so I have the ability to cut it down. I also have the ability to cut it down with the remote control if needed. Like I told you before, I'm going to be carrying it around because look at it. It has a little handle, which is great from going from place to place with it. Awesome buy. I really love it. Hopefully you can find it as well and get this. Make sure you go to Run Deals, find that coupon, use the coupon when you check out so you can get these discounts.